Hey Diva Dolls, this is Crystal Chanel and I am back with another video. This time I want to share with you dolls what it is that I look like going to get my nails done. And I did partner with DSoar hair, y'all. I am like really feeling this big hair vibe. So if you want to see what I think about the hair and how I styled my look today, stay tuned.
Okay dolls, so let's get started with the makeup. So if you've been watching my videos for a while, you know I start with my eyebrows, and with this technique I use this pencil from MAC in the color Spiked, and I made hair-like basically lines in the front of my eyebrows, and I kind of mimic hair, and I do the same thing using Beverly Hills of Anastasia pomade. So the reason why I don't just leave it with a pencil is because I have normal to oily skin, and with my skin sometimes it will cause the eyebrow to wipe off or get oily or shiny, so the pomade really helps with that, and I basically set my eyebrows using that pomade. And then I just outline my eyebrows to really clean them up, and then I follow that up of course with my primer, and then here you see me using the Fenty Beauty foundation. Now after I have foundation all over, I go ahead and put my concealer. I kind of got a little happy with this. This is the Cover Up Select Concealer by MAC, but I like to spread it under my eyes and then also on my chin, and I use a beauty blender to go ahead and blend it out. Now you all see me use the Black Radiance palette. I love this palette so much. They're so inexpensive and I use it all over my face. As you can see, this is usually my transition or my eyelid color when I'm doing just a natural look. Then I use a darker contour color and I go ahead and warm up my face. So I use it on my contour, and I also warm up my face around my forehead. And then here I am using the Glow palette from the Beverly Hills Anastasia Glow Kit, and I'm just doing my highlight. If you dolls want to see my full foundation video, give me a thumbs up. I can always record that for you, but I just wanted to do a quick getting ready with me video, and I'm just showing you just a quick rundown of what I did to achieve this look. So as you saw, I used black eyeliner, and I like to cover my eyeliner with eyeshadow. If I didn't want to wear a whole lot of eye makeup, this will really make your eyes pop. So once I apply my eyeshadow on my waterlines, I go ahead and put on my mascara on my bottom lashes, and I put my lashes on off camera. Y'all, these are my favorite lashes. I love these lashes so much, so stay tuned for more details about them. But I'm just doing my lips here. I couldn't find my lip liner, so I actually used my eyebrow pencil to line my lips, and I put on my favorite lipstick, which is Snob by MAC, and I'm going ahead and finishing up my lip with a gloss. Alright, on to the hair. Now y'all, the reason why I wanted to share this video with you is because I don't always fasten my wigs down using any kind of glue or any kind of gel. So I am natural and I like using protective styles, and this one is really easy. So all I did was have my natural hair in 2 twists, and I put down a stocking cap on top. I gelled down my edges, and off camera I did end up sewing on a piece of elastic band just to kind of keep this really secure, because I decided not to put combs in this wig. But I did make this wig. I used 3 bundles and 1 frontal, and I love the frontal because I did not have to pluck it, and I wanted a low maintenance wig, so I did not bleach the knots. As you saw there, I just used some foundation to go ahead and tint my lace, but I think it looks pretty good just like this. And again, I am really into natural looks, and I think with big hair you can kind of hide any imperfections. So this particular unit, I'm just kind of pulling forward to get it nice and comfortable, and then what I did was go ahead and use some bobby pins on the side to secure it, and also I had the elastic band on. So I just want you to see the knots. Again, I did not bleach them. This is how they came, and the hairline is already pre-plucked, and I think it's a really good wig. Now, in regards to the baby hairs, you can cut them a little shorter. I didn't want to do a whole lot of prepping to the wig. I literally wanted to show you dolls how the frontal comes. So these are the baby hairs. You can just put them back with a little bit of your favorite gel, and for me, I like to use the pomade that I showed, which is so far the best for me. Now this hair is so soft, and I love the ringlets. I did not have to do anything with this hair as far as curling it. I am doing just a little bit of maintenance here. I did not pluck right here as far as the part. It came like this already, but I do want to make it a little bit more natural and flesh tone looking by adding some concealer. Now I did wrap my hair down. I put mousse and water on top to kind of train it a little bit, and I did end up getting my sister to help me. You guys can follow her on Instagram. This is CRYSTALCHANEL. But yes, I had my little sister help me get it together, and we ended up, this is when we decided to put the band on because I made my wig too small. If you dolls have some tips on wig making, leave them down below because I am just teaching myself. But yes, I still loved how it came out. Thanks, sis. Alright, so with the outfit, I wanted something really comfortable. I am in a area where it gets pretty cold now that it's the winter, and I just love a good statement piece. So I wanted to play with the color of the hat. That's why I had the eyeshadow on, and I just got this bag. This is my outfit of the day. I was completely warm, completely stylish, so comfortable, and I just love, love, love how my hair looks. I got so many compliments, and that's it, dolls. I hope you enjoyed this look.
It's a bad man thing. See, it's a bad man thing. See.
Okay, dolls, so again, I hope you enjoyed this getting ready with me for nail day, and this entire outfit I'll have linked down below, and of course my hair, y'all. This is my first time wearing DSoar hair, and I really wanted to get a good feel for it. So if you want to know more about this hair, look down below in the description box. My first impression so far is that the hair is soft. It doesn't have a funny smell to it. It actually lays really well. I didn't have to do any plucking. As you saw, my hairline was pretty good, and I just think it's really full, and the ends are voluptuous because, as you can see, I have some long bundles and they're still curly. Sometimes you get curly hair and it makes it look shorter, although it's not. So I really appreciate the fact that the hair is full, the hair is long. I didn't cut it. I have different lengths. So again, I'll put all the details down below. Give me a thumbs up if you like getting ready with me videos. I'll try to do more for you. Now, if you don't follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat, be sure that you do that. And my name is @ChryssyTheDoll. And you also know I said I'm gonna go get my nails done today. So if you want to hang out with me and my fam, be sure that you subscribe to that channel, which is down below in the box, as well as my fitness channel, and of course subscribe to this channel. So dolls, again, I want to thank you so much for your love and support, and as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.
Say we get to bedroom, so no delay. See, by the end of the night she be wanting more. By the end of the day they be wanting more.